how to join a new color when knitting intarsia or other colorwork projects. Hi everyone, my name is Norman and today I want to show you a super simple and easy way to join a new color when knitting intarsia, or really just any other project where you are knitting with multiple colors. I call this technique weave in and twist. This is by far the neatest way to join in a new color I ever found. It requires you to weave in tails later on. However, the transition here is so neat that I feel it is worth the extra work. Let's show you how to knit it. So, one stitch before you actually want to change colors. Place the tail of the new color in between your working yarn and your knitting needles and knit one stitch. And this will trap the new color here on the back side. And now twist the new color and the old color around 2 times. So twist it around like so. And then knit one stitch in the new color. Tighten up those tails. And that's already it. And then you can continue knitting according to your pattern. Let's do it one more time. So one stitch before, place the tail of the new color in between your working yarn and the knitting needles and knit one stitch. And then twist the 2 colors around 2 times. And then continue knitting in the new color and tighten up those tails, like this, and continue knitting. It's easy as that. So a couple of rows later, this is how our little join looks like. Now, isn't this neat and perfect? This is the way it looks on the wrong side. You end up with these, well, not exactly knots, elevated structures, I guess. And then you will have to weave in those tails the traditional way. So this method isn't helping you to weave in those tails, and I always use a sharp tapestry needle, and then I go here through those purl bumps diagonally like so, and then probably once again in another direction. So I wove in those tails. This is what it looks like on the wrong side. This is the right side. Now, why do I like this method to change colors in intarsia so much? Well, because it leaves behind a very smooth and even transition where not one stitch is, slanting to one side or there's a hole here. Because often what will happen is you find a nice joining method and you're pretty satisfied, and then you weave in those tails and things are pulled to either side because of your weaving in. And with this method, the stitches are anchored on the left and on the right side, and that keeps them in place, and that's why I personally love this method so much. Anyway, that's how to change colors when knitting intarsia. Please like this video if you enjoyed watching, comment with your questions, and don't forget to subscribe in case you don't want to miss any new videos. Happy knitting and enjoy the rest of your day.